The choice for superior automotive repair is crystal clear. Crystal Lake Automotive, your independent full-service mechanical and collision repair specialist in one location. Crystal Lake Automotive is a AAA approved top shop and a preferred collision repair provider for most major insurance companies. Our certified technicians make us the clear choice for superior worry-free mechanical and collision repair. Come see us today. Crystal Lake Automotive on County Road 46 and 35W, 1/2 mile south of Buck Hill. If your car needs it, we can do it.